What's up, guys? It's Aaron again, back at it again with another video. So we're gonna show you just my workout for the day. This is a Wednesday workout, middle of the week workout. So we're gonna start off with some push-ups. You can start off with knee push-ups if you want, but I just start off with on the ground push-ups, and then we're gonna move on to tricep pull-downs with the straight bar. What we're gonna do is just do 10, just nice and easy, just to warm up. This is a warm-up set. Go a little heavier, but yeah, this is just another workout that you can do. It's kind of like the workout I did before, but I'm just gonna do it again, and I'm gonna add some stuff that you can do. I'm gonna in the middle of the workout, because I wasn't able to film because people didn't want me filming them, so I wasn't able to get a few things that I was doing, but I'll just let you guys know. So instead of doing these, you can do pull-ups. Pull-ups are great, but if you can't do pull-ups, do these. So just warm up with these, with 50 pounds or something like that, something really light. Or whatever is lightweight for you. You know, whatever your warm-up set is, just do 50 pounds. I mean, not 50 pounds, just whatever weight is, you know, a warm-up set for you. But for me, that's like 50. Alright. So yeah. And then obviously you can do pull-ups instead of those after you've warmed up. And then we're going to move on to tricep pull-downs again, just with the bar. Just like that, nice and easy, nice and controlled. Just figure out a good weight for you. Yeah, guys. So if you guys want more workout videos, let me know. Like I said, I always want more feedback. Might not always reply to the comments, but I'll see them, and if you could just leave feedback, that'd be awesome. If you want more workout videos, if you want more tutorials, I'll have Evan do some tutorials coming up soon, but here we go. So you can do these along with pull-ups. Pull-ups are, I didn't film my pull-ups, but I did some pull-ups, so do some pull-ups. They're really, really good. If you can't do pull-ups, do jumping pull-ups, but if you can't do, like, if you don't like doing jumping pull-ups or like banded pull-ups, just do what I'm doing here. And then also you can do curls. I would suggest doing some curls. Just that was what I did. Well, not suggest. Whatever you do, whatever you want. But I did some curls as well. So because I like I said, I wasn't able to film my whole workout. So curls, triceps, and then pull downs or pull ups. So do those. And that's pretty much the workout, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Click the link in the description for a free 6-pack workout PDF. Thank you so much, and God bless.